Hey there, and welcome back to our patio. I'm Jenny, this is Lauren, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we are firing up the grill with some delicious shrimp.
That's right, Jenny. Today we are making grilled garlic and black pepper shrimp kebabs. And I don't know about you, but I love kebabs on the grill.
Me too. It's definitely like a meal on a stick, so you can't go wrong with it.
Yeah, so let's get started on our marinade for our shrimp.
Yes, so we've got some Serrano chili. You could use any type of chili. Serranos are a little bit spicier, so if you aren't a big fan of that heat, you can leave it out or just choose a more mild pepper, like a jalapeno is more mild.
Perfect.
Got some garlic.
Lots of garlic,
Yeah.
since this is garlic and black pepper shrimp.
Lots of pepper. Some lime juice. And olive oil. Super simple.
Yes.
Just give that a whisk together, and then this is gonna go right on the shrimp, and we'll give it a good toss to kind of coat everything.
Perfect. You wanna put it in here? I'll toss it up.
Awesome.
And today we're using really large shrimp. I don't know if you can see this here, but
They're giant.
Pretty giant, guys. But sometimes the really small shrimp is hard on the grill because you got to thread them on your kebabs. So
Yeah.
if you can find a little bit larger size, it don't have to be as big as this, but a little bit larger, that's going to work better with kebabs.
Definitely. And shrimp do shrink as you cook them, so.
Yes, they look really big now, but just you wait. They'll shrink up. All right. So we're ready to assemble
Yes.
our kebabs.
I can take the shrimp,
All right, then we've got, today we're using yellow squash.
red onion, and red bell pepper. So you can really use like whatever vegetables you want. We picked these ones. They all kind of cook at the same time as the shrimp. So we're just gonna go ahead and skewer them on. And we gave the skewers a nice soak too.
Yes, so if you have metal skewers at home, you can use those. If you are using the wooden ones, it's just important to make sure that you soak them.
Don't want them to catch on fire.
Exactly. So we're just gonna make a couple of these. Obviously, you could really load them up with all the veggies and the shrimp. But we're just gonna put one of each on today. I love the different colors too.
Yeah, this is such a fun summer treat.
And just a fun activity too to do with your family if you're looking for ways to get your kids in the kitchen.
I'm gonna get some more shrimp on here. It's the start of the show after all.
Yes. And the key with the veggies too is making them large enough that they will skewer easily onto the kebabs without like breaking in half.
Right. And if you want to use other vegetables that might not cook in the same amount of time as the shrimp, then maybe just skewer everything separately so you don't end up with overcooked shrimp, which would be a shame.
Exactly. So while you're continuing to make our kebabs, I'm going to start adding these to our grill. So our grill is preheated to medium-high. We sprayed it. And we're going to get these guys on here. Well, I guess I can actually probably, it's not too hot yet. Sneak these on. Love that sizzle.
Yeah. How many are we at? You can really feed a crowd with these.
Yeah. We'll make this one our last one.
Perfect.
And that's just the thing too, is you can customize it to how many people you're serving.
Oops.
So it's definitely soaked. All right, so gonna let these cook. It only takes about 6 minutes total. So shrimp, that's a great thing, and they don't take super long to cook. So we'll let those cook and we'll dig in. Let's check our shrimp. It smells amazing. That garlic just smells awesome. Let's see how they're doing. Oh, these look
beautiful.
really good. All right, I'm gonna give us each one. There's one.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I love the color on here.
Awesome. All right. So I'm gonna try to get one of these shrimpies off
I think they're gonna be kind of hot.
Yes. Cut off a little section over here. Oh, I just love how shrimp cooks up. And these are really nice and meaty.
Yeah. That garlic is amazing.
And it's got a little heat too with the pepper.
Yeah.
Super tasty.
Delicious. Well, we hope you give these shrimp kebabs a try on the grill this summer.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.